Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Ivana Brooke, and as usual, I'm lit and I'm in a little new setup. Let me know how you guys feel, what you think. Let me know. I'm so excited about it, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm just showing you my absolute favorite little summer hairstyle. Little head wrap, super easy, super quick. If you've never wrapped your hair before, don't worry, this tutorial is for you. This is the easiest possible way of achieving this look. There's literally no easier way to do it. I promise you, anyone who says that there is lying. This will stay on your head all day. You don't have to worry about it, no intricate tying, so stay tuned. Let's get into the video. Taking my water bottle, and I'm just gonna wet it just a little bit. So in order to have a lot of my edges out, I like to take my edges out first and then put my hair up, because I don't like putting my hair up and then trying to take my edges out, because if I'm taking out a lot, I'm pulling my hair out. So to do that, I just kind of start to comb them forward, just whatever I know I want to weigh down. And then as far as like when I say extra edges, I really just want like, I guess extra like sideburns. I don't know if I want all that, but like a good, ouch, a good amount of sideburn. I don't know, I guess that's your sideburn, but you know what I'm talking about. Now I kind of have an idea of what is going to be left out of this style. And then you have a couple options. So with this head wrap style, you do not have to have your hair slick for it to look good because you're putting a head wrap over it, but it's totally up to you. Like, I like to make sure it's at least flat so it looks good, but you don't have to use gel is what I'm saying. Just whatever it takes to get your hair flat underneath the head wrap. So I'm just taking water and a boar bristle brush, and I'm just, ooh, come down my face. Just gonna start slicking it back. I'm not gonna part it because I've been parting my hair a lot, so I just want to go straight back with it. The bigger your bun, the bigger it will be around your wrap. So if you want a bigger wrap, bigger bun, smaller wrap, smaller bun. Looks good with my peanut head. And then I'm just gonna make it lower because I want it real low. And then luckily you don't have to care about how your bun looks. So I really just start twisting it. This look is literally all about the edges, so it's so low maintenance. So here's my hair. I'm putting it kind of like, it's like low, but in the center. Sorry, there you go. This is why I love this style, because you literally don't even have to try. These are the head wraps that I like to use. These are like, literally, I never understood the purpose of these until I tried this. It's like, I can't even describe it. It's like just a tube, but these are the easiest things for me to head wrap with. So that's what I use. And I'm wearing all white today, so I thought I'd wear my white one and it would be easier for y'all to see. So all you have to do is you kind of just take it like the tube, put it on your head, and then I get my seam right. And I kind of decide here how much of my edges are going to be out, which usually I do about this much. And then you want to take the free edge and kind of just pull it down. Just kind of see how much you have to work with. And then I twist it. And then I twist it around my bun. So as you can see, it's just twisted around my bun. Looks super cute. It does look really sheer on my hair because my hair is really dark and this is, you know, white. And then you just take a hairband and go around it. And then I just fluff my little tail so that you can't see it anymore. Sorry y'all, I'm trying to make sure y'all can see. Okay. So now that I know it's on and I like it, my favorite thing about these is that literally, like, bro, it don't matter what you do, this thing can literally like fall back to here, even though it doesn't, like I've never had it fall back to here, but even if it gets like kind of like here, like if I'm like trying on clothes at the mall or something, like literally you just pull it back. Like it don't, like I don't even know how to describe it, but this material just clings to your head and like you don't have to really worry about it at all. Obviously I want to lay my edges, make it look super cute. I'm gonna roll it back a little bit, and from here there's a couple ways you can do your edges. I love edge boosters, my favorite way, but I literally just ran out of my edge boosters, so I've been using a molding paste by Amika, which you use it dry. I would show you the inside, but it's so dried out and disgusting. Like, so I take my edge brush and I get a good amount of product on it, whether I'm doing it wet or dry, which I do recommend. If you're gonna do gel, always wet your hair, always wet it. And here I'm kind of sectioning off my edges because they, I don't know, I'm just like a hairy person, so they all just kind of conglomerate and it can be hard to distinguish how I want them. So I kind of just part them, and I always start at the ear, and then this I'm gonna curl. You see, just give it a little curl and then keep it moving. Kind of do the same thing with these longer pieces. Y'all, this is probably the best alternative to straightening your edges. I know that's like a thing now, but I personally would not do that just because my hair is too fine and it doesn't need it, I guess, technically. Not really. If this works, why? But like, I do get it because it's like, even my edges blow dried, I feel like are so much easier to handle. So I think this is how I want my edges. So I'm going to tie them down and with a different scarf. I'm going to just use my typical satin scarf. So I recommend, especially when edges are your focus for that day, if you have the time and you're not doing this in a pinch, I would recommend at least laying them down for 15 minutes. I know it's a little bit longer probably, maybe, than you're used to, but I think 15 is good, and then you don't have to really worry about it for the rest of the day. So just tie it. I like to put a knot in the front because I think it helps with the tension. Even if this is all I can do, I still like it, but I can do a little more. Okay. Alright, I'll be back when my hair is set and my makeup is on, and we'll finish this look. Alright, so this is the completed style. My edges are laid. I have a few little wispy bits kind of just out to give it a little bit of a, you know, cute natural look, but still very sleek and put together. I hope you guys enjoy. This is one of my favorite hairstyles. I'll be wearing it all summer. I love that I don't have to worry about everything else going on. I can just lay my edges and go and look cute and feel cute. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what hairstyle you want me to do next, and I will see you in my next video. If you like this video, I hope that you leave it a like. If you like me, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see more of me, you can always check me out on my Instagram, Ivana Brooke. And other than that, I hope this video found you in the best place possible, and I hope you guys really like my new setup because I'm fucking with it heavy. I will see you in my next video. Bye.